So this is real life in James and Dye, y'all. So this is currently how our deck looks. So normally when me and Danisha, we get a house or whatever, we normally do the work together. So kind of going to show y'all the before, because this is a property we actually going to sell in probably like a year or so, most high willing. So basically going to show y'all how we basically get these decks or floors or whatever, however you want to say, how we basically clean it up. Alright, so Danisha is still sweeping. We're almost done. A little bit. So right now, basically what you do is basically going over, trying to figure out. So we gotta take all these little stupid screws up, screw some of this stuff down, fix all these little holes, take up some of that rotten wood up, take a lot of this crap up like this. Like, I don't know what the hell this person was doing before, but kind of what we gotta do. The drill bit and my other drill set. So basically just take these things out. I don't know how the hell, why the hell they do that. They did them, but well, maybe it just got stuck in there or something.
If I fall, y'all, I think I'm gonna crack my neck. You see how deep, how far this is?
That one.
You see that? Alright.
We got a few of them in here, just in the way. I don't know what the previous owner had in mind, but
I don't know what he didn't know what he was doing.
shit's crazy.
That one was sideways. He could at least stick that one up.
Yeah, so basically with these types of houses, we call this a slow flip. So we live in houses like these, like it's nice. It needs a little work, but it doesn't need a lot of work, whatever, so you can live in it. And then throughout the year, you can basically just fix the house up to make it look like how you want to do it. So we've been in this house for like a year and a half and just been fixing things slowly. And most high willing, we probably make like 60 or 70K off this one house. So we'll see how that goes, whatever. But that's kind of like how we do it. We got some houses we do slow flips,
Yeah.
whatever, like this. And in the future, we probably start doing like faster flips once we start getting more money coming in. So,
All right. You gotta start off slow.
yep. So we got rental properties right now, whatever. But we'll start getting to the flipping later once we get more income coming in. So
We'll show you guys in the next video a flip that we did previously. Or so I could say renovations.
yeah.
And then this other property we have, we'll show you guys. Oh, that house don't really need that much fixing. We got lucky on that one.
Yeah. So
We bought a house blind, didn't know what it would look like, but we got lucky. Hey y'all, so we had bought this bleach here to clean our deck because it's terrible. So let's see how it's working over here. Wow. Okay. See that black coming off? It's doing a really good job. How much we pay for this right here? Like $5 at for the Home Depot? At Lowe's? Wow, look at that.
We want to play favorites.
Don't pour too much. But it's doing a really good job. I'm very surprised.
This brush is real good. Don't buy the little cheap one or whatever that they sell at the store.
Yeah, buy the heavy duty.
Yeah.
The one where the bristles are hard.
Yeah, the other one probably be trash right now.
Yeah. The harder the brush, especially the width of it as well. Everything, look at that. And make sure you get a good brush for whatever you're trying to do.
I'm doing like 2 at a time right now.
See how thick this is right here? Yeah. Doing really good. Okay.
Come back through with the brush. Phase 2. Getting the rails. Just finish this side from this. Go to that, hit it from this. So it's going pretty good. The ground is looking out much way better than earlier. I'm gonna hit it with one more clean. With something else I'll show you out in a little bit. Alright. At least on the 1s and 2s.
Alright, y'all. We finished cleaning the deck. It looks a lot better now. Alright, let's show you. Wow. If you guys remember how it looked before, it was completely dark brown, black, pretty much. And we pretty much got most of it off with the Clorox and the pressure washer. Remember that? That was black. This side right here. All of this is pretty much black. And then we had hit the stairs with the pressure washer and this big brush right here together. Now we're gonna do the outside. So we still have a bit more to do, but we're almost done. Alright.
Alright, so after a few days, I'm letting it dry. Looks pretty good. I'm still have to sand it. So I'm taking up this rotten wood that was all jacked up. Clean this up and use the crowbar just to get the wood up. I'm gonna clean that and then fill it up with some fake wood. Then we'll see how it turns out. Alright, so we have to replace some of this wood. I'm taking this one up right now as we speak. I was trying to fill it in. And I left it there for a few days. I was gonna try to sand it, but I was like, it's too much. So basically, just about to take this whole wood piece up and put a new one in. So. Alright, so I just placed like 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And basically just nailing them back in. I'm trying to make it good spacing, so that's why I'm hammering this down in here. So that's what I'm doing right now. Took these old ones up. Let's get back to work. Oh my God! I gotta kill myself. This part's harder.
You came out there? Oh, okay.
There's a lot of bends in this wood, so crazy. Got
Yeah.
another one.
Yeah.
This how it's been the whole time.
So this is the only one you have to nail is this last one?
Huh?
The last two, I'm saying.
Yeah. I could replace this one with them, but I said screw it. I don't want to go back to the store and buy no more.
Yeah. Oh, here's the key. Time for me to pick it up. All right.
I bet.
Good job. Replace the wood. See, the lighter colors are the new wood pieces we put on the deck. And now the finished touch, well, I should say the starting, it will be the paint. So we chose to do the red burgundy color. Well, at least I told him to because I wanted to match the red mulch in the front. So this would be great.
Johnny's trying to help out. Almost there. So I end up changing like 10 of the woods, whatever. It was jacked up, whatever, but little Johnny helping me out. Focus like him when we got the camera.
Okay guys, yesterday you saw us do the rails, and now we got little James helping do the floor. So this is what they did so far. Little James did a really good job helping his dad today. And now they're like almost done. I think after this they will have to do the steps. And that'll be it for today.
Get it in, we'll have paint. Hey. Almost done. Okay. What you got, Jay? They see you getting recorded?
Yeah. That's how you bring up the camera recorder.
Thought I snuck it out. So after pressure washing this side, it's clean. I see some of them is rotted out. Y'all see the termites been killing this, whatever. I just cut this piece, and I'm about to put some fillers and stuff like that in there. So basically, I'm just gonna do the same thing, paint the other side too. So it's kind of what's going on right now.
This shit almost blew out my eardrums.
So
You should
basically,
have warned me.
just used the old deck wood that I had. I took out the deck and then just replacing these pieces, save some money. So
Dang, why you ain't warn me that shit was gonna be loud? Oh my gosh, you wanna try to make me deaf? Scary. What I gotta do with scary? I'm deaf. Perfect. Doing something. Hold on.
I gotta cut one more piece for that. Then alright, so finally we just cut all the pieces up. Whatever that little James got from school. I had this piece right here. it was missing a lot. The wood was rotted, so I basically just chipped that off, put some wood in there, and put some wood filler. I'm gonna sand it to make it look nice, whatever. But then I replaced this piece. I had a lot of termite damage, you know. So that's basically what I did there. So I'm about to just paint the top. Probably sand that tomorrow, and then y'all to see the finished product. So, all right, we out. All right, so we're walking out to the finished product. Got little James over there. He helping me getting all the rust off the grill. And a little pan over there. But so basically, it didn't take that much time. Had the fam help me. You know what I mean? We kind of was a team effort, so it turned out pretty good. We got to clean up a lot of the mess that's around here, but it looks good. I had 2 gallons of paint, so it really wasn't that bad, whatever. And also, we finished this one over here too. Got to clean up this mess over here as well, but you know what I mean? And that finished that wood piece right there. Because all the termite damage, but everything turned out pretty good. I'm just gonna fix the AC right now, but yep. So, all right, peace.